Hello. We are on our way to Va'a. Hi. Okay. Yes, today's Saturday and we're on our way to Va'a. And then what are we doing today? Oh, we're going to Young's picking us up. And then we're going to Amwai's house to this is weird. Today I'm on April's phone because my phone is out of storage because I have not done anything in a week and a half. And then I will be using her phone as like one of those like rent a storage thingies, you know? Because, huh? Yes it is. Like, do you know those like garages where you can rent garages to use?
No.
Yeah, like the storage bin things. Okay, anyway, I will be doing that. It's a process. It's gonna be great. Okay, bye. I don't know if you can hear it, but the water is currently screaming. That was April.
It did not sound like that.
ASMR. Hi. It ended like half an hour ago, and we've been abandoned at Va'a. Yeah, we've been abandoned, and now we're sitting here waiting for Young to come. It's okay though, cause I did a handstand for 5 seconds earlier. It was really cool. It was. I have evidence. If I did a handstand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Okay, we'll check back in the car. We are now at Owen's house, and I have a cookie. Currently embroidering again because I have a problem. I showered. Eat.
How do you know?
You paid $5 for that?
Wow. So, I've been embroidering for several hours, and Justin fell asleep for a moment. Ethan also fell asleep for a moment. April is watching Friends. I am watching Gilmore Girls. Look how much I've done. Wow. Guys, look at my cool new shirt. There's little dinosaurs on it. Look. 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 I got kicked off the family tree. The lights are blue.
What light?
The lights are purple now. Wow. The lights are red now.
What color do you like?
Red.
White.
It's white now.
Daylight white.
This just looks like white. Blue. Purple.
Dawn red.
Pink.
Which I call pink. Pink's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let's do red.
Red.
Spaceship.
I just almost got crushed by a car door.
It's right down the street.
Wow. Wow.
Who's going where?
Inside. Hi. I got chocolate on my shirt. Look. Look. Where'd it go?
I got McDonald's too.
I don't know where it went. Oh well, I guess that means you can't notice it. It is nighttime, and I ate a cookie. Again. I've had a lot of sugar today, and we're gonna be up. Oh, did I mention that we're sleeping over tonight? Because we're sleeping over tonight. And I have to go brush my teeth now, but I don't want to go. How long do you think I put it off? Just kidding. I'm gonna go because we have to wake up early tomorrow because we're going hiking.
Okay. Good night now.
Today I bruised my knuckle. See? Wow. Anyway, good night.
Very true. I don't know. He almost driving. It's scary.
Starbucks.
Goat.
A goat.
That's so cute. I've never seen somebody walking their goat.
You're gonna know.
We have arrived. We have. Yay. We don't know where we're going, so while Cody looks, we're gonna go play on the playground. Um. This is a fruitless game. I'm like, I don't know about you, but it looks like a tie. Nope, I'm winning.
Oh, wait,
I win.
No, it was the wrong
Nope,
one.
I win.
It was the wrong one.
I win.
I
Look, I win.
almost pushed you off.
I win. Nope, nope, nope. You lose.
No, I'm.
You can't do that. Nope, we're done. I win. Bad.
No.
Boo. Water.
Sometimes there's a waterfall.
Wow.
Where you weren't getting the water, they said
Oh, yeah.
hey, you guys.
Extreme danger. Bunny.
On April 30th.
There's chair furniture. Look. It's a chair stump. Look. Chair stumps. Look at
It's gonna
the
be tallest to
water.
shortest, so.
Balloon. Where'd it go? It's gone. No. A carousel. Wow. Oh, there it is. Look at the airplane. Surprise, we're going on a hot air balloon. April's terrified. April, how do you feel? Terrified. That's gonna be us.
Thanks,
You don't have to.
There's a rock playground. The slide is so dirty though. Whee! Okay. Oh, my butt's dirty now. I climbed the rock. Hi. Hi.
It's the way.
I don't know. But now we're both on the rock. Look at us. So far off the ground. Wanna jump? No! My ankles are fragile.
I want to see what we'll do to my ankles.
You want to know? I'll send you my old picture. We've climbed another rock.
No way.
No way. It's burning my butt though. She's jumping off. Now we're going back in line because we're waiting. Because the air balloon is in the air. You think we're next?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't know.
Dog. It's kind of windy for balloons, so we're going to the farmer's market. Wow.
Copyrighted.
I have no idea where we're going now, but it was too windy and too long to go on the hot air balloon. My phone ran out of storage in the middle of my sentence. I don't know where we're going now, but I think we're getting food. I hope we get something sweet and sugary. And I'm in the middle seat now.
Well, you said my natural state is the spring.
Okay. Bye. Hi. I think we are at Irvine Spectrum, and we are getting, what are we getting? Dim sum? Yeah. Okay. Oh, why am I still wearing my hat? Oh well. We're inside the restaurant now. This is so weird. Circle table. Wow. Look how good this piece of lettuce looks. Wow. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I'm going to sleep. Good night.